Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is powered on and unlocked, then go straight to the Quick Toggles or Settings app. Once there, find the flight mode or airplane icon. Tapping it begins the change immediately. Make sure to observe Wi-Fi and cellular icons so you know what will reconnect. If your device asks for a passcode to access settings, enter it now. Otherwise, the toggle will flip and the system will register the request within seconds. After disabling flight mode, allow the device a moment to bring radios back online. You'll see cellular bars and network names return. If Wi-Fi or Bluetooth stayed off, go into their sections and switch them on manually so peripherals and networks reconnect. Once done, confirm notifications, resume and test a web page or message to verify data. If apps still show offline, force quit and reopen them so they reinitialize network sessions, making sure background data permissions are intact. To finish, validate calls, messages, and internet all work. Make a quick call or load a site. If something fails, restart the device first. That clears temporary radio faults. Make sure to reset network settings only if problems persist because that removes saved Wi-Fi and VPN info. If cellular still won't return, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning or outages block service. In short, restart first, reset network settings next, and call support as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.